Welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I can't wait to show you these cocktails I've been working on. If you're struggling to follow along at any point, just rewind the tape. And now I'd like to give you a taste of paradise. This right here is a cocktail I like to call the Ocean View Suite. I like to think this cocktail makes you feel like you're on the balcony of a hotel looking over the beaches and beautiful people all around. So what you want is one shot of white rum. Now you're going to want a half shot of vodka. Like so. Now this is going to be good. You're going to want to get a bit of simple syrup in there. The stuff gives it some sweetness. And then that will go into the cocktail, like so. It happens. This is blue curacao. Gives it that ocean look. And that's a half shot of that. Next up, I like to get the lemon juice in. And then you're gonna squeeze this into the juicer. That should do it. And a bit of lime as well. Now don't be afraid to go all out. Great. Now you have your lemon and lime juice. Pour this into the shaker. That's great. Then you want your pineapple juice. You're gonna need approximately 90 milliliters of that. Make sure it's firmly tucked. Sounding like the ocean. There we go. Oh, wow. Now that is looking like the ocean. And now, let's have a bit of a party. And there you have it. Oh, that's good. And it's just delicious. The Ocean View Suite.